Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan and gluten-free seed crackers. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine the brown rice flour and salt together. Combine the extra virgin olive oil and water, add to the rice flour mixture, and mix until uniform. Fold in the sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, and flax seeds. You can use any type of seeds and nuts, such as chia seeds, hemp seeds, and sunflower seeds. You can also add some herbs and spices of your choice, such as garlic powder, oregano, and black pepper. Spread the butter on a piece of parchment paper on a baking pan. Using the back of a spoon or a spatula, spread the batter thinly and evenly into a rectangle about 25 cm high and 35 cm wide. Tapping the backside of the baking pan also helps the batter spread evenly. Bake it for about 30 minutes or until the butter becomes crispy. They can be a great snack with dipping sauces or a quick and easy breakfast full of nutrients. These crackers can be kept in an airtight container in a room temperature for up to a few weeks. I hope you enjoy making these delicious seed crackers and share them with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.